What do we got?
I got some great bargains for you there.
The Glove of Doom. I'm gonna save up for that. Ow. Slash learning the stories. Wait, what's the point of being over here? Is it to maybe jump to that side? Just to guess? What do we got here? Anyways, I'm gonna go open that up. Yeah, it is a cool soundtrack. I'll give it that.
Use your Gadgetron Trespasser to unlock the security door.
I was hoping that was what I was supposed to do. I was going to be real scared if it wasn't. Hey, Split Cast Robin. What's up, man? How's it going? Welcome to the stream, my friend. Oh, made it. Oh god, I barely made that. What is it? Welcome to the stream. Please enjoy. Feel free to follow, if you so choose. What do we got here? Split Case Robin. Well, I'm doing great. Yourself? I'm doing good, man. Welcome to my stream, dude. Thank you so much for coming by. Oh god! Run! So many. Hey, look who it is.
sure showed him.
I think he was more scared of Ratchet. What the heck?
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Vlog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Trent. We here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind root tester, warhead assembly technician,
Ow.
mutant animal husbandry, robot repairman, suck cannon test dummy, and administrative assistant. So call BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS Madone.
Now we're talking. Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some.
No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark.
You're absolutely right.
I am.
Sure, we need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is?
I suppose.
Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is.
I am unsure about your logic.
Ah, you think too much. Come on, let's go.
Sure, you can ask if I've ever played a game. I'll try to answer as honestly as I can. Huh. Alright, cool. Hey there,
I
Fuzzball.
got some great bargains.
What game do you want to ask about? I have played a decent amount of Jak and Daxter. I've never beaten any of them, unfortunately, but I have played them. And at some point, I do plan to stream them whenever, if I ever get the games for PS3. I'll go up later. Valen Dreth. I mean, if you were really were you shy? I mean, yeah, it's a game I'd love. I've played plenty. It's just I've never beaten it, unfortunately. You, come here. You can ask about a lot of games, whether or not I've played them or if I plan to play them. I don't mind people asking me if I played games or not. It's just telling me to play a game is another thing. Asking me to play is fine, but just telling me you have to play this now. Like, I have some people who follow me because I play Sly all the time. Oh, you're gonna die, you're gonna die, you're gonna die, ha. Hey, boyos. And feel free to give my channel a follow if you so choose. Split Case Robin. Because I always appreciate it. And you can see more of my future games and stuff easier. Hey, what's up, big guy? Oh god. These are the guys I'm worried about. Yeah, what? Because. Kresnik, what you up to? 8,000? That's so much, but not really. Oh yeah, without a doubt. If you enjoyed Ratchet Clank, you would enjoy Sly Cooper. A lot of people say it's a stealth game. It's really not. It's more based on platforming. Sure. Why not? You can suggest things. What's up? Well, you might comment, I guess. How do we get over there? Get up here. Whoa! What the? No, you do not break right through like that. It's probably to not ask people to follow. It's a guess. It's a guess. Oops. Whoa! I have signed out of PSN. That's not good. Let me sign back in real quick. Un segundo. Sign back in. Yes, please. Split Case Robin? 06? What's up, man? You wanted to say something. Now you're not. Yay, back in. What that blaster ammo? Oh boy. Actually, I mean, I'm not really this stiff at all. It's just, I'm enjoying the game. I'm playing it. I mean, sometimes I try to look into who's all in my chat and everything, and who comes in, who's new, and I like to try to say their names. But, honestly, the biggest thing is, I'm trying to play well for them, so that's one thing. But, yeah, I understand what you mean. Make them feel welcome, be welcoming to the viewer. That's all understandable stuff. I've been told a lot. But yeah, I get what you mean. I feel bad if I wasn't. Okay, Split. I'll just call you. I'll call you one of the two. I'll figure it out. But yeah, I get what you mean, man.